Good morning. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Rajesh, welcome.
Sir.
What, Rajesh, after a long time?
Sir,
Huh?
actually, I was in my native, so came back before
No,
few days.
huh? No, if you are in a native place, also you can attend the class. No, what was the problem? Hello?
Sir, am I
Ah, tell
audible?
me.
Sir, there was a network issue over there.
Mm-hmm. Hmm. Now you are in Bangalore.
No, sir, I'm at my hometown, sir, Odisha, Bhubaneswar.
Now how you are attending now? You told network issues. Hmm. Right,
So
sir.
at my home, there's Wi-Fi connection, sir.
What about others? Still they are sleeping? First hour means there is a problem. Still they are sleeping? Huh? So if you are traveling also late only, if you are at home also late only. Okay. Let them join. We'll start. Surya Prakash is there. Reddy, Prashant Reddy, you have written only 4 questions, huh? Test you have written only 4 questions. Some of the people,
No, sir.
but it was not there one
I
number
have written
only.
5 questions.
Check yours, once answers.
I think I written 5 questions.
Okay. Right. Still many people are writing small answers that it will not work out to get the clear the subject. So you have to write the stories. You may be knowing all those things, but still you have to write the stories here. So you know all activities in and around what's happening. Take examples and write. Maybe sometimes main headings only it is available, but you have to write the explanation. Without writing explanation, you will not get good marks. You have to write in detail. That's how. With respect to examples, you write it. That's it. Right. Now, end of the topic is nothing but the 4th unit, quality of service. Quality of service is nothing. What is the quality? How you will judge the qualities? That is what the question now. So quality is nothing but based on the what items we are utilizing. Based on the what items we are utilizing. Quality of services is nothing but so which item you are using, what is the quality of that? How can you see that quality is nothing but? So for example, what will take the example? Quality is nothing but best example mobile. So how you can say the quality is there or not? That means what will happen? So we'll use it, then we'll come to know that. That means what the maybe if it is working properly and delay time is less and quality is nothing but for example pictures or voice when you are talking to your friends or family members. So when you are talking, there is no disturbances. So signals it is coming properly. So that is where even though signals are there, sometimes mobiles will give problems. So that and all it is not available. That is not creating any problems. Means we can say the qualities. Or before buying also sometimes we'll inquire it. What is the way of working that mobiles? So then we'll decide. Then we'll take the mobiles. So quality of services is nothing but so the user's satisfaction. Finally, we can say user's satisfaction. You take mobile or laptop or which college when you are taking when you want to study, which college you want to choose or which school you want to choose. So all these things you can take the examples and quality of learning. Quality of service is nothing but here is the quality of the service. So any mobiles once you take, so even though it is coming, how they are doing the services. Qualities is one end and quality service also one end. So when they are doing the services, how it will be working. For example, if you take SIM only, so nowadays sometimes somebody will take Airtel, somebody will take Jio, somebody will take Vodafone, somebody will take I. So how they are providing the services. So for example, internet. So when you are using the internet, so some cases will get the disturbances. So as an individual, if you are getting disturbances, okay. Suppose if I am taking the class, so 60 people will be affected. Suppose if something networks goes on, that also we have seen one or two classes. So that is also problems are there. So that is the reason the quality of services how it will be. So before taking classes, I should find out whether the network is properly connected or not, whether the properly it working or not. So all these things to be taken care. That is what the quality of the services. So apart from that, now quality of services defining normally this is what we'll discuss. And here some of the more points are there. How they have defined with respect to the quality of services, we have to see one by one. That is what the quality of the services. So quality is nothing but what when you are using the user's satisfaction, how it will be happening. So quality of the services, whether it is there or not. So then once you take it, once you use it, then we'll come to know that the quality of services. So if it is not satisfying with the services, then we'll change that. So Airtel, if it is they're not providing properly, then we'll move to Jio. Jio is not doing. Sometimes Jio users will move to Airtel users move to somebody. So Vodafone, Idea, all these things we are seeing now. So initially so portability it was not there. So that time we used to take mobile SIM and we have to stay there only. Now we have the options to move one place to another place easily. So with the same identity, with the same number. So that is what the quality of services. So here is some of the points they were given with respect to the quality of services with respect to user IDs. UIDs with respect to principles of the user's IDs and this one. So they have the ethics. Orally, this unit will be discussing. They should whoever it may be, they should have the ethics. So when they are providing the services, also others should not be harmed. Others should not have the disturbances. Such a way that you need to give the quality of the services. So that is what the aim for the quality of services. So whoever it may be should not harm for the anybody's or the human beings or birds or whatever it may be. So that is what the main intention when they are doing the services also. So they should keep in that mind, and they have to do the without disturbances the user satisfaction. Now, 1960s mathematical computation association with the computational time. So here is mathematical association and computation. They made it in 1960s. So World Wide Web means graphics, networks, congestion affect the response time. So you have learned already time delay between the source and destination, congestions when it is happening, how to solve that problems in the networks. You have done it already. So that is what the response time. So response time is nothing but what? Source to destination when the data is transmitting from source to destination. So network congestion, if it is happened, how to overcome that and how to transfer the data from source to destination. That is what the one of the key messages in the quality of the services with respect to the networks. Some graphics also same thing, how to send it. So whether the quality pictures again it is reaching the destination or not. So sometimes we are sending the mobiles, or sometimes we'll send the scanned copy. You have done it some of the people. So it is not visible only. So sometimes it is not visible. Qualities you should maintain that one. That is what the quality of the services, and the qualities you have to maintain that one. Next is time in precious. That is what the time is precious. So likely or unexpected systems response time can produce. So this is what the length or unexpected systems response time can be produced. So this is what the time constraints is most important. So when we are talking from source to destination, so when I'm using the mobile, what will happen? So whatever I'm typing, endpoint also should be visible, that one. So for example, now also same thing. So when I'm communicating, the messages or voice or audio, video should be properly transmitted. So then only we can understand easily, we can talk one to one easily. So frustrations, so annoyance, eventual anger. So this is the key points to be remembered with respect to the times. So when the data is transferring from source to destination. The second one is nothing but the speedily and quickly done work can result the users. So nowadays nobody is having the patience to wait or stay with idea. So whatever we are doing, immediate we want the response. So for example, any networks or when you want to buy something or when you want to transmitting, all these things immediate should happen. So otherwise we'll say this is not good, something like that. So nobody is having the patience. So speedily and quickly done work can result the users learning less. So when we want to do some operations, so easily we want to learn it. So for example, that's why we had discussed many examples, games and all. So they want to give the less instructions, easily we should understand. So if we have 2 to 3 pages or 4 pages, nobody will have patience to learn it for the with respect to product or whatever it may be, either games or whatever. So we should learn less and we should understand. For example, if you take one looping statement, how it will be working, that they should give it. So if they give it the stories, nobody will have patience to read it. So that is what the learning less and we should understand more. Reading with the lower comprehension, making more ill-considered the decisions, committing more data entry errors. So this is what when you are doing the speed and quickly, these are all the mistakes also sometimes can be results and will be happening. Committing more data entry errors, that is nothing but when we are doing fast, automatically it will be going some of the mistakes. So making the more all considered decisions. So making all. So all the that is nothing but the consider the decisions regarding with the lower comprehension. So learning less. These are all the speed and quickly done work and the results for the users. So when you are doing fast, so what will happen is learning less. So sometimes we will read it. So finally we will not understand anything. So learning is nothing but the less. So reading with the lower comprehension. So making more ill-considered decisions, committing more data entry errors. So this is what the speed and quickly done work, the results for the users, what will happen. Next is we have the models of the response time impacts. So models of response time impacts, these were the first one. So we have the response time. This is what already we had discussed. Quality of the services when we are telling the source destination when the data is transmitting, the time delay should be very less. So then only immediate the data will be transferred. So response time is nothing but the number of seconds it takes from the moment users initiate an activity until the computer presents the results on the display. So that is nothing but the here response time is nothing but here whatever we are typing here, so immediately the output, immediately we should get the output. That is what the meaning for the response time. The number of seconds it takes from the moment users initiate an activity until the computer presents the results on the display. So when we are running the programs, what will happen? Sometimes like small programs immediately will get the results. Suppose if you are having the bigger programs like mobile app, all these things we are doing, so it will take time because of the it is taking the with respect to the storage or the applications or data saving, whatever it may be the reasons. So sometimes it will take more time. So that is what the response time we want less. That means what? That's what sometimes we'll decide what is the hardware software configurations when we are doing the mini project. So here also the same thing. So in your systems, mobile app, all these things, labs, when you are doing, sometimes it will take more time. So the time delay to get the output. So when it is responding that one. So now some of the people were using what is it called, mobiles, small mobiles. Now due to the online, what happened? Every parent, you're forced to parents to buy the new mobile and good mobile, and the its support for the online classes. That's what we have done it. So here also the same thing. Response time is nothing but what? Whenever you are typing something to get the output, the delay time should be less. So the number of seconds it takes from the moment users initiate an activity until the computer presents the results on the display time. So users think. So the number of seconds the users thinks before entering into the next action. So the number of seconds of the users thinks before entering into the next action. So sometimes what to type. So sometimes we'll think 1 or 2 seconds. That is what the think time. So users also will think what type of the input to be given to the system to get the output. So for example, problems if you take what type of the input to be given. So here is you have these some of the diagrams, bigger one I'll make it and you can see it here. So users initiation, here you have the diagrams is nothing but the users initiatives activities. This is nothing but the users initiative activities. So this is nothing but the response time. So whatever you are typing, so computer responds when it will be responding. So suppose sometimes in your system when you are opening, it will take more time to upload all the activities, software, hardware, equipments. So that is also sometimes response time only. So sometimes when you are running the programs, what will happen? Sometimes you will open it Word and you are doing something. If you have the big file and pictures when you are changing, it will take some time to make the active. So that is also called the response time. So you are doing something, computer response. So for the in between the time is called the response time. So that is what the response time. So here is user think time. So after responding, you will be thinking what can be done. That is what the response time and thinking. So the other diagram you have the, so here is you have the user starts typing, user starts typing. So another one is called the user initiates the activities. So user start typing, user initiates the activities, the response time between the system and the user. This is what the response time, that is what the computer begins with the responses. So here user initiates and computer begins learning. In between that one is called the user's planning time. So in between the User initiates and computer begins times is called the user planning time. And user initiate the activities and the computer begins the response, that is called the response time. And another one is called the, you have the computer completes the response. So computer completes the response. Sometimes we'll get output. For example, Ada, if you take the, you have done the generation of random numbers. So response, what will happen there? If you give lakhs numbers, what happened there? So some numbers displayed. It took some time, then again displayed. That is also delay. So response time, computer completes the response time. So entire response. Sometimes something is displayed, again it will wait and it will come that one. That is what the user initiate activities and computer complete the response time. That is the thing but this one. Now again you have, this is already I told you extension, that one. That is also same thing, user planning time. And you have the user think time. So user think time is nothing but this one. So here is, you have the a break in between. Sometimes you will not get it, it will take some time to give the response. That is what the in between extension here. So this is the normal diagram. So think time, response time, this is nothing but the bit extension time, and user planning time also same thing. So this is what the, sometimes it will take the delays. So next is called the user think time. So we'll think after seeing that whether we want to rerun the program or we want to do once again run the program or whatever we want. That is what the model for the systems response time, user planning time, and user think time. This model is more realistic than the figure, previous figure. So the more realistic compared to this. That is what this one. So here is the normal diagram. This is called the more realistic the diagram. This is nothing but the simple stages of the action model of the systems, response time and the user think time. This is the small one, and this is nothing but the bit extensions of this one. So here is the next one is called the model of the response and time response only. So you have the some of the points is there. So we need to discuss when it is happening the models of the response time impacts. The first one is called the designers of the response time and display rates in CI must faster. So the first one is the complex interactions of the technical feasibilities. So here is complex interactions of the technical feasibilities. We need to discuss for that one. Feasibilities is nothing but the whether we can be able to do it or not. So now we are doing the fifth semester projects using the IoTs is nothing but whether what is the complex interactions for that, whether I can be able to do it or not, whether the feasibilities is there or not. So what is the cost of that one? So maybe as a student, you can spend some small amount, maybe 1,000 or 2,000 or maybe 3,000 maximum. So not more than that. So all these things you have to do. Suppose for mini project only, if it is cost is coming, hardware equipment is 10,000 or 20,000. So bit difficult, bit burden for the students and the parents. So task complexities. So whether the task complexities is there or not. So that means what? Whether the existing is there or not. So we have to do the finding the innovatives and the new things. That is what the task complexities. User expectations. So always we need to find the user expectations of what they are doing, what they want. Currently what they are doing, what equipment they are using, and what else extra is required. Speed of the task performance. This is always it is the speed of the task, the performance. So manually if you do it, and system if it is doing, that should work fast. So that is what the speed of the task of the performance, error rates. Next is called the error handling procedures. So error rates, what is the error for that one? When the source to destination it is going the messages, what is the error rates? Next is error handling procedures. Error handling procedures. So what is the procedure to find the error? Suppose if something goes wrong, what is the finding how you errors? So that is what this one. So all these things is important. So previous, if you take 15 years, 20 years back and all. So if they want to send some messages, what will happen either through letters or maybe one or two cases mails or what is it called? Telegram, something they are using. Or if you want to send some messages, suppose somebody expert, so they want to send the messages. Persons used to go there and used to tell it, then they used to come. Nowadays, what's happening? Just will say call. So something happened, you can come. Or some function is there, you come. So all these things within the minutes only it is happening. Previously, what happened? Persons used to go and tell. So they used to invite the function for the functions, all those things. So nowadays also they are inviting, but some of the cases, small functions and through phone only we are inviting. So like birthday functions or like that small functions. So that is also there. So all these things, the you have to respect the complexities. So if you are personally going and coming, how much difficulties if you through phone networks is available, it is the easiness. That is what will be happening. See now, even 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers also through phone only we are talking every day. We feel happy instead of the personally meeting also through video call or whatever it may be. So all these things, so we need to find out the user requirement. So finally, they thought phone is sufficient to talk. So landlines they introduced and we used to talk it. So next what happened? So moving item scheme. Next, what happened? Next, internet. Next is audio, video. All these things one by one, it is coming. So that means what the users, what they're expecting, what the providers can be done for the quality of the services without affecting for the users personal details or what are other activities. So that is what the complex and interaction with the technical feasibilities, cost, task complexities, users expectations, speed of the task performance, error rates, error handling the procedures. So designers of the response times and display rates in HCI must be considered. So all these things when the designers doing something, so they need to concentrate with this, then only the quality of the services will be automatically will be coming. So always they have to take the feedback once if they given that one. Any new items they found, again they have to give the take the feedback and still what they are expecting. So what will happen is when the activity is coming to the existence, then only they can find out what else extra is required for the customers. So overall message majority is of the users preferred rapid interactions. Overall, majorities of the users prefer the rapid interactions. So many people are rapid interactions only they wanted. So because they maybe a business requirement or they don't have patience to stay on these things. Lengthy response time is nothing but the 15 seconds are determined to the productivities. So 15 seconds can wait to do some activities. Either whatever you are doing when you are typing the inputs to get the output, or when you are sending the messages source to destination, or when you are talking to source to destination. Any activities if you are doing, so maximum if you are waiting 15 seconds, it's okay. That's what they're telling. Lengthy response time is nothing but the 15 seconds are determined to the productivities. So next is a rapid response time is 1 second or less. So normally is nothing but what 15 seconds. So somebody wants the rapid interactions, immediate. They don't have patience to stay. So rapid interactions is required. So some of the cases everybody is required. So when we are doing fast, so everybody is required only. So response time is nothing but the 1 second or less. So for example, when you are writing any competitive examinations and online, if they give it, so they will give 1 minute, one question. You have to write it, you have to click it. So when you are clicking, immediately should take it. Otherwise, what will happen? So your time will be waste. We cannot able to complete the particular task. So rapid response time, 1 second or less, or preferably, but can increase the errors of the complex of the task. This is what the overall majority of the users prefer the rapid interactions. So next is called the display the rates. So what is the display? So display rates also same thing. When we are typing something, immediately should happen. Otherwise, what will happen? So if it is taking more time, what will happen? So we'll be typing, for example, to the BMS Institute of Technology. When it is institute, when you are typing BMS, if it is displaying or some error it is happening. So again, it is very difficult to rectify that one. So immediate should be happening. Display the rates. Alphanumeric displays is nothing but the speed of the characters per second at which characters appears for the users to read it. So when I am typing, immediately should be displayed on the display mode. So then only I can be able to go ahead with the correct sentences. So if it is taking more, even normal displays we have learned it the previous one. So there, if it is 15 seconds, when you are doing the particular task, if it is taking 15 seconds, it is okay. When you are typing and all using the systems or in your mobile sending the messages and all, immediate action should be required. Then only we can do the task perfectly. Otherwise, what will happen? Chances are there to go to the mistakes. That's what the alphanumeric displays is nothing but the speed in characters per second at which characters appears for the users to read. Next is worldwide web applications. Worldwide web applications is nothing but the display rate may be limited by the network transmissions speed or the service of the performance. So these also worldwide web applications is nothing but what the display rate may be limited. So some cases the display rate may be limited by the network transmissions speed or the service performance. So based on the performance also, so we need to take it. For example, if you are sending the messages from source to destination, sometimes small messages okay. So now using the mobile, if you are sending, when you are typing, it will be sending that one. So when you want to transmit that one, sometimes big lengths and all, it is not possible to send it messages. So small messages okay. So if you are taking the big messages initially and our mobiles they used to give it. So characters it was limiting. So some cases they will be restricting the messages characters only this much only. So that is the reason. So if you are giving more characters, it is taking more time to display from source to destination. That is what the World Wide Web applications. Display rate may be limited by the network transmission speed or service performance. Based on that, service and performance will be there based on the characters when you are transmitting the data. So alphanumeric displays and worldwide applications, that is what the display rate. Next is called the reading a textual information from a screen is a challenging cognitive and perceptual task. So reading the text on the monitors. So users relax when the screen films instantly beyond a speed where someone may feel compelled to the keep of the up. So that is what the keep up. So usual relax. So screens is nothing but when the messages are there. So this is it is there we can read it around say. Suppose if you go to movies, what will happen? So names will be displaying. Sometimes we have to read very fast. Otherwise, what will happen? It will be moving. So they think that this much time is sufficient to read the particular names, particular page. So whatever they have given it, so in that particular they'll set the time automatically moving that one. So we have to read it fast in that cases. That is what the reading textual information from a screen is a challenging cognitive and perceptual task. So users relax. So we cannot, some cases we cannot relax. So here is there is my one. I can read it, relax it. Sometimes I feel bored. I can take rest, then I can read it. So some of the cases, if you take movies and all, so they'll be giving moving that one only. So if you're watching any videos, what will happen? So it automatically be moving. So that is what the reading textual information is from your screen. Next is called the cognitive human performance would be useful for that one. So cognitive is nothing but the making the predictions. So sometimes we have to predict what it will be coming. So designing the systems. So predicting is nothing but the making the predictions and designing the systems, formulating the management policies. So we need to find out the managing the policies for the this one. So this is what the users cognitive, the human performance would be useful for this one. So here is some more points are there. So here is the tune worldwide web applications to improve the performance. So worldwide applications to perform that one. So here one of the examples they have given it. So designers can be optimize the web pages to reduce the byte counts and the number of files or provide the preview of the materials available in a digital libraries or achieves to help the reduce the number of queries and access to the networks. So here is some of the maps the World Wide Web to improve the performance is nothing but. So for example, nowadays we are saying, so Google Maps. Initially we were struggling to use all those things. Nowadays what will happen, even if I don't know the route also, I can be fine. So that is all these things, the qualities is they have to maintain that one. So worldwide, that is also one example for that. And this is what the another examples for the this one. So predictions. So some of the maps when you're displaying quality of the services. So always we have to maintain the qualities of the services. So when you are finding the Google Maps of the source, the destination, some of the text you are entering and some of the maps. So if you go for the Google, so some of the pictures. So I want to visit some of the temples. I want to see that whoever you look for that one. So it is also visible. Some of the old diagrams will be there in so quality of the services we have to maintain that one. So this is what the figure. So that is what the qualities of the services. So here some of the points also there. The solutions plans can be carried out without the delays. So the solutions plans can be carried out. So in this models of the response of the time impacts, we have the some of the points, limitations of the short term and old memories. So here some of the points we have to discuss, and let us see the some more points. So any cognitive models must emerge from the an understanding of the human problem solving abilities. Any cognitives is nothing but the it is there to solve the human problems. So solving the abilities. So what are the problems we can solve it? So that is what they have to think it. No, not only the, with respect to the systems and others also. So worldwide problems. So you are doing many projects to solve the human problems. So for example, if you see the some of the people doing the contracting road, all these things. So previously all human beings only are doing. Nowadays, what's happening? So many missions are doing. So they want to find, for example, national highways. They're putting the new national highways. In that case, what will they are doing? So they're using the new technologies to put up the very fast. So they are not taking like previously like years, months. So what they're doing using the missions. So some of the modern tools they're using and they're putting the roads very fast. That is what the working environments. So response times and the impacts. So impacts is what will happen. Suppose if you are doing in one project within 1 year, so the cost of this much. So government will be giving the deadlines one line to complete this 1 year. So if you take it 3 years, 4 years, what will happen? What is the cost of expenditure for that? So that is what the big problem if you delay the project also. So that means what? Maximum losses will be happening. So for example, cost, if you are constructing the house only, labor today cost is maybe if you assume the 500 or 1000 rupees. After 5 years, that may be increase it to 1500 or 2000 rupees. So automatically it will increase the cost also. So that is the reason we have the limitations and short-term working the memories. So everything, whatever you have scheduled in that only should work it. So that is long term. So short term is nothing but whatever we are using mobiles, networking, transmitting the data, all these things. So here is maximum examples they have given with respect to data transferring only. So outside example, just I told you to put one road only, what they are using. So that is what the any cognitive model must emerging from the understanding of the human problems. We should understand what are the human problems and we should give the solving the abilities. So for that, how to solve it and how to save the timings. Next one is the magic number 7 plus or minus 2. So magic numbers is nothing but the 7 plus or minus 2. So the average of the persons can rapidly recognize 7 checks of the informations at a time. So we can be able to find out the averages, rapidly recognize the 7 checks of the informations at a time. So these were the what are all the possibilities are there to solve the human problems. These informations can be held for the 15 to 30 seconds in short-term memory. So the informations can be held for the 15 to 30 minutes in short-term memories. So size of the checks depending on the person's familiarities with the materials. So short-term memory and working memories are used to conjunctions for the processing informations and the problem solving. So here is short-term memories is nothing but what? Short-term memory is nothing but to solve the given problems. So for example, to take the customer care. So sometimes we'll tell the small problems. So it will take the small memory, it will be solving immediately that one. So if it is the bigger problems, we cannot able to solve it. So some settings it is changing in mobile, we can call customers, we can find out. If something repair it is happening, we have to submit to the shop and then they will make it the equipment changing. So that is what the difference between the physical damage and the working some of the setting problems. So short-term memory processing the perceptual input and working memory generates and implements the solutions. And next one is called the people learn to cope with the complex problems by developing higher level conceptuals using several lower levels conceptual brought together into the single text. So all these things, whatever you are having the complex problems, higher level concepts, all these things will be coming into the one umbrella to solve the particular problems. So short term and working the memories of the highly volatile, nothing but the descriptions cause loss of the memories. Delays requires that memory be refreshed. So delays is required that memory to be refreshed. Sometimes delays is happening, we'll make it the refresh. So some cases we are opening some of the websites, so it is not opening, it will take some delay time. So that in that case, we have to refresh that one, will be a refreshing. So when you are filling the VTO applications also, sometimes what will happen, it will start. Again, we'll be going for the refresh. So that is what the examples I told you. So these were the models of the response of the impacts. So still some more points are there. So we'll see that one is called the next class. So still some more is there. In this one only we have the modes of response time impacts. These were the bigger one. Next is the expectations and attributes, users productivity, variabilities and response time. This is what the inequality of services. We have the 5 points to be discussed, and the first one is called the models of the response time. So these were the in this chapter quality of the services. Okay, so one question I'll send it, simple question only. Today's this one, and fill it and send it. Now I'll take the attendance. Answer attendance 2, 3,
Yes, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5, Antima, 6,
Present,
7,
sir.
Ashwini. 7, 8,
Yes, sir.
9, 9. Divyash. 10,
Yes, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12, Gunashekar.
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14, 15,
Present, sir.
Suryaprakash.
Yes, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
Suryaprakash is there, na?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. 16. Right. 17, Nazma.
Sir,
17.
present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Yes, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21, 22,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
26, 25. Anand, is there socket? Socket is not visible. 26, present. 27,
Present, sir.
Seema.
Yes, sir.
29, Sinchana.
Present, sir.
30, Spurti. 30, Spurti. 31,
Present, sir.
33,
Present, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
50, Amruta. 51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53,
Yes, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56, 57,
Present, sir.
58,
57 present, sir.
58 present,
58,
sir. Present, sir.
59,
Present, sir.
60,
Present, sir.
61, 61, Paresh. 62,
Present, sir.
63, Prashant. 64, 65, 66,
Present, sir.
67, 68,
Present, sir.
69,
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73,
Present, sir.
74, David. 76,
Present, sir.
77,
Present, sir.
okay. So I'll send one small question, send it, and Google form I'll send it, then you can send it to me.